This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. I am at Secrets Tides in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. We're going to do a room tour. This is a newer resort. I'm in 1438. I am here for work, so I did not get to pick my room type, but I was told that it is a regular pool view room. They have extended the preferred club amenities to us because I am here for work, but I was told that my room is not a preferred club room, but it is a pool view. However, it actually has a bonus ocean view, so we'll get to that in a minute. They do have, before I forget, little buttons here so that you can tell them you want your room cleaned, tell them to stay away, and then of course just turn lights on and stuff. Looks like shoe polisher, vanity kit, soaps, mending kit, comb, toothbrush, toothpaste, sunscreen, body lotion, and a shower cap. You do not want to drink the water in Dominican Republic, so they leave water there for you so that you can use it to brush your teeth. This is a king bedroom, but they do have two beds, like two double beds or two queens. So double shower heads, and then shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And I'm gonna pause because you can see that that is blocked off. That does open, so I'm gonna go open it. There you go. So you can have it open if you're by yourself or with somebody that you don't mind watching your shower, or you can keep it shut if you need more privacy. Over here we have a closet. They do have the little private thing. If you order room service and don't want to be disturbed, you let them know and they will put it in here. You can leave a few dollars in there as a thank you to the delivery person. It looked like it was kind of drizzling out there, so I may need that umbrella tonight. That is a steamer right here. And I was told that if we needed a regular iron, we could ask to use one. Although I can't remember off the top of my head who she said to ask, but it is available. So this is what the room looks like. Again, we have a king bed. We do have a fan. For plugs, they have the little C port, the USB, the regular one. And if you have an iPhone, then you can set it on top of here and it'll charge it. Also, I forgot to show this. So we're gonna go back in the bathroom. You can connect Bluetooth and they have speakers throughout the room. I didn't look to see where they're in here. Oh, it's over there above the couch. So you can Bluetooth and listen to music throughout the room. And I'm guessing this is probably temperature. Yep. And the air conditioner is working great. It's nice and cool. It's a beautiful room. They do have the little reading lights that they'll probably come during turn down service at night and turn on. More plugs over here on this side. Interesting, I have champagne glasses, but no champagne. You get one bottle. You only get one. You do not get multiples. So if you drink it, you're done. And because this is all inclusive, whoa. Well, I'm having a problem. Hold on. Okay. It's all inclusive. So you do have included minibar, which looks like it's mainly Presidente, sodas, juice, water, M&Ms, and Milky Way in this one. And that should be replenished daily. Let's go check out a huge balcony. Huge balcony. So you can open those all the way up and be nice and light and airy in here. So very spacious. And this is the view from my room. Again, I was told this is a pool view. That is the lobby and everything back there. But you can see the ocean, so while not technically an ocean view, you can still see it. There are swim out rooms available. You can see those down below. This is taken in August of 2024. This resort just opened up earlier this year. Again, this is Secrets Tides in Dominican Republic.